Thank you for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Let's take a quick look at the pollen count. With the recent colder weather and the freeze, the pollen count's still high, but a lot lower than it was at 322. And so that's some good news, although it's going to warm up here as we go into the next several days. Also, let's do a rainfall check. It's a little ridiculous. Since we had that rain ice storm in the middle of January, we've only had 0.13 of an inch of rain. Average in that time's over 2 inches. So we're almost 2 inches below average in the last 6 weeks, and we definitely need some moisture. And there is some in the forecast, but it's not that much. So let's get into this. We might have a few showers here on Monday evening, but it's not going to amount to a lot. Then tomorrow, up to 73 degrees, and a pretty strong cold front will be approaching. While we're in the 70s, it'll be in the 30s in Nebraska. And so when you look at that, you go, oh boy, maybe we get some rain and thunderstorms as the storm system approaches. And there will be, but it's not going to really get its act together till it gets further east. And there's even a chance of severe weather, mainly Arkansas, southern Missouri, into Illinois and Indiana. We're on the northwest fringe of this, an enhanced slight risk in southern Missouri, a marginal risk here in Kansas City. The main threat would be some damaging winds, possibly some large hail, but mainly off to the east. Bottom line is, we need some rain. So let's go into PowerCast. Those few showers this evening, maybe a couple on Tuesday morning. Then as we go into the afternoon tomorrow, it's breezy, it warms up. And then along and behind the front during the evening, there may be a few thunderstorms, but you see the coverage is just not that significant. And then the thunderstorms intensify, move off to the east. We might have a few little sprinkly showers as the colder air comes in on Wednesday morning. But other than that, it's looking pretty meek. What about snowflakes? There may be a few Wednesday morning, but the main little area of snow, again, missing us, eastern Iowa, northern Wisconsin. And for us on Wednesday, the clouds will clear. It'll become mostly sunny, windy, and cooler near 50. And when we look at total rainfall through Wednesday, my goodness, the main show is really Mississippi River eastward, where they could have half to 2 inches of rain. For us here locally, 1/10 of an inch, 1/1500. Remember, we're almost 2 inches below average since the middle of January. This isn't going to cut it. Maybe a few lucky areas could come close to a 1/2 inch, but boy, oh boy, we're not looking at much rain at all. So the forecast, as we head towards this evening, temperatures falling into the low 50s. A few showers will be possible. Other than that, just kind of partly to mostly cloudy. And then tomorrow morning, it actually rises to 58 degrees. The average high is still about 48 or 49, up to 73 tomorrow afternoon. A slight chance of a morning shower tomorrow, and 73 with those southwest winds switching to the west and northwest. The front moves by, and there may be a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. But again, coverage will be meek, and they'll be moving quickly and not amount to a lot. And after Wednesday morning's chance of a snowflake or a little rain, that's it. Dries out and warms back up. The good news is there's another hard freeze in there Friday morning. That'll help slow the budding process down and keep the allergies temporarily under control. Have a great Monday night.